Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're joining us from. My God, my God, my God. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go to the group chat and write, I am live. Just write, I am live. Or just write, I am on the call. Just write something to show that you're on the call. I'll give you 30 seconds to quickly go to the group chat. Then come back with that feedback very quickly, please. 30 seconds. Let's go, guys. Oh my God. I believe we are all here now. If you have done that, right done. The group is locked. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sorry, I'll give you another 30 seconds. I will unlock the group now. Okay. I want to believe we are done. All right. First of all, sincere apologies. I'm not in my house at all. I'm in my friend's house. I'm in someone else's house, and then I'm trying to join live from that person's house. So you can permit that I'm not in my usual background, and the lighting is not as great, and many other things. You can just permit that, oh, this is the reason Coach David is not in his best form. The reason I'm here is because this place is on the mainland. My house is very far on the island, and I finished church late yesterday. We had our anniversary. Then I had to go to my own church. We finished very late, so I'm like, what, let me just sleep over in his house, and then that's why I'm doing this live stream from his house also. That's it. How are you? Please talk to me. Where are you joining from? I'm joining from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm even on the mainland. I'm in Ikeja right now, to be precise. Okay? I'm in Ikeja right now, to be precise. So where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? I'm in Lagos, Nigeria, Ikeja, to be precise. Where are you right now? 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 Enugu. Amazing. Blessing Bankole, good morning. Listen, Ehimisa, good morning. Uchi Favor, good morning, coach. I thought you were in morning classes. Oh, so these morning classes are every Monday, 8 a.m. All right, Monday, 8 a.m. Before the program started, we do Monday, 8 a.m. It's our culture, it's our family meeting. As you can see, week 128. Because 28 means over 2 years we have been doing the same thing. 2 weeks make a year. All right. So for every week, over 2 years, this is our third year counting. We have been doing our 8 a.m. live class every Monday. It's free. You can understand why we're having 8 a.m. live class. All right. So please, it is not in the curriculum. There's no morning class in that curriculum. Curriculum said evening class throughout. Right. And the classes start this weekend. I think yeah, it's this weekend because of the youth convention. So it was postponed to after the youth convention. Yeah, so that everybody can go for youth convention easily, come back and whatnot. So that said, I hope that explains Yoshi. All right, loop is locked. The walls have changed it now. Good morning, Araulua sings. Oh my God. Good morning, Jim Bliss. Good morning, Adebayo Michael Sanusi. Good morning, Stephen. Okay, we'll join from Gombe. Gombe Damaturi. Or Gombe. Which of them? Please let me know. Gombe what? What's the capital of Gombe? Alright? What's the capital of Gombe? Adebayo is from Ogun State. Jim Bliss is from Ibadan. Nora from Ondo. Accurate to be precise. I love accurate people because let me not say that here, but yeah, just know I love accurate people. The Anointed, Lagos Island. You're part of those that are 10 over 10 anointed, right? It's good to know that you're part of the 10 over 10 anointed folks, man. Your name even carries it, anointed. Araulua Ojo, Lagos. Nice. Dochi Favor, Lagos. Joshua Etonihu, good morning. Joshua is one of our oldest students. He has been joining us since when we started, maybe week 10. But he has been joining us ever since. Every Monday he's joining us and he's learning. The truth is, if he's not learning, he will not keep joining. That's just my own psychology. My psychology is that if you're not making money or you're not learning something new, you will not join. That's just my psychology. If you're not making money and you're not getting any value, you will not join. You will not keep joining every week. You keep joining every week because you're getting value. That's Joshua for you. He's been joining us since way back. I can mention like 4, 5, 6 of them. That has been since the first 5 weeks of the program till today. We're in week 128. All right, so Joshua, good to have you here. Universal, Alimosho, Lagos. Joshua is in Abuja. Yep. We met in Abuja earlier this year, and that was our first time meeting. We won't believe over 3 years or 2 years. Precious Ofunubi, good morning. Universal, good morning. Stephen Okewu, Stephen Gombe. Blessing Bankole, Ogun State, amazing. Precious Osunubi, Bariga, Lagos. Nice. Bariga is close to Unilag side now. Bariga, yes, it's close to Unilag side. I know that when I was in Unilag, by the way, I schooled in Unilag. So when I was in Unilag, I know those Bariga area very well. Adeyemo Michael, Ibadan, amazing. I mean, we have a lot of people on the live. I can't just keep listing everybody. I want you to know first of all that I see you, I know that you are here, and I value you so much. All right, I see you, I know that you are here, I value you so much. We have thank God Mukoro from Ikotun, Lagos. You have Spencer TV. I want to believe that L is silent. Spencer TV, Larry Waju, Jeremiah Ayomide, Oshogbo, Osun State. I've been to Osun before actually. I love Osun State. It's calm, it's slow. That's the only problem I have with Osun State. It's very slow. You can be there, you forget that 3 weeks has passed. It can make you waste your time, waste your life if you're not, careful. But I like Osun. I think it's cold. There's the cold part of it, but I think it's calm. It's calm. I think it's calm. Olusegun Adegbola Kayode, Ibadan, Oyo State. Ibadan is our second Our backyard now. We go there every 2 minutes. Go to Ibadan every 2 days. Not 2 days technically, but yeah, amazing. All right. Um, Araulua says, please, coach, can this class be adjusted tonight? Like right now, I'm in class and I do have classes by 8 every morning. I understand you, Araulua. The truth is, this one is general class for both the Forex and crypto students and for my own personal students. We've been doing this for 128 weeks in a row, every Monday at 8 a.m. And it's just an hour, max an hour, 30 minutes. We are done. All right. Now, I understand that you have classes, but the truth is, all the programs official class. I mean the program that you joined, you enrolled for. That program, all the official classes for that program that night, not in the day, not in the morning like this. This morning class is for us to know what we should look out for in the week. All right. So please, that's why we do it on Mondays at 8 a.m. so that you can know what to trade that day and what to trade the entire days of the week. All right. It's not very compulsory to attend, but our advice, I'll strongly recommend you attend. All right. But this class can be adjusted only because it's our culture already. I've done this for 128 weeks in a row. That's over 2 years. You understand? But the program's official classes are at night. At night. Please, do you understand what I just said, Araulua? They're at night. All right. If she says, oh, okay, sir. Okay, that means she understands. Okay. So Tall with Zion says, good morning, sir. I can't see anything. You can't see anything. Maybe you refresh your screen or something like that. But everybody sees my face right now. Everybody's seeing my face. Even myself, I can see my own face. My face show, my shoe shine. Abubakar Tufa, good morning, coach. I'm Abubakar Tufa from Kano State. Kano State, amazing. I've been to Kaduna, I've not been to Kano. I would love to come to Kano one day. In fact, very soon actually. I've been to Kaduna, and I had a few days there. Actually, we spent a few days there. Went to Zaria to see one of my mentors, and it was good. All right. To see and Ehimi San. Good morning, joining from Lagos. Lagos. Amazing. Enoch Adisa. Good morning, joining from Ogun State. Ogun State, Enoch Adisa. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome, my brother. So, I mean, we've done a lot of introduction, and it keeps coming in, and it keeps coming in, and it keeps coming in. Ogun State, Benjamin Shoyele, Shoyele. Jesus, I don't know which one it is. I'm not Yoruba. I just know how to speak it sometimes. Shoyele, Benjamin Shoyele. Joining from Ogun State. Who's in Lagos? Chibu Odogu Don, sir. I want to believe he has commented on the group that he's live. Arowojulo. No, Arowojolu. Yes. Arowojolu Oluwadamilola. Arowojolu Oluwadamilola. Says, will this video be saved so we can come back to watch and learn? Oh, yes. Every single week, all the videos are saved on the archive. And I will show you very quickly how to find the videos, all right? I'll show you very quickly how to find the videos that are saved. So let me share my screen so that you can see what I'm saying. Okay, so all you need to do, this is YouTube. Come here and type YouTube. Once you type YouTube, this is what will come out. Your homepage. This is my own feed. Because these are the things I listen to. I listen to Bishop. I listen to Philo Sunday. I join my church. I listen to Gospel Yo-Yo a lot. Yeah. All these other ones are just recommended videos. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is just come here and type David Achom on YouTube. Once you type David Achom, in fact, once you type David A, YouTube will just bring out David Achom for you. Once you put A, YouTube will bring David Achom for you. Now, once you do that, you come and click on my page. Once you click on my page, come to live. Look at this place here. Live. Come to live. Once you come to live, you will see all our live streams you have ever done so far. They're all saved there. All the live streams we have done, week 127, 126, 125, 124, 123, 120, 121, 120, 119, 118, 117, 116. The reason there is no 122 years because I mistakenly did week 122 on Elevator's channel instead of on my own channel. It was a mistake, but he held that day. I did it on Elevator channel by mistake. That was a very costly mistake. I mistakenly went live on the company's channel. It was a mistake. I forgot. But yeah, we held it. You can see all the videos backdated up until, and they are all saved. You can go back and rewatch them whenever you're free. In fact, I used to tell people that until you watch all our weekly analysis, if you have not watched all the market analysis video, you cannot come and tell me you don't know Forex. Watch all these videos, A to Z, you will know Forex. Take it from me, you will know Forex. Watch all the videos. You can see week 15, week 14, week 13, week 12, week 11, week 10, week 9, week 8, week 7, week 6, are you seeing? Week 5, are you seeing? Week 4, are you seeing? Week 3, are you seeing? Tell you that we're not just trying to lie that we have done it when we have not done it. Week 2, can you see it streamed 2 years ago? No be today we start this thing. Have you seen week 1? Have you seen week 1? Have you seen week 1 now? In fact, if you want to be petty, check the day week 1 happened. You'll see that this month week 1 happened. They're supposed to show us the date now. Then we used to do Monday at 7 a.m. before. We now changed it to Monday at 8 a.m. This happened 7th of November 2022. Have you seen? 7th of November 2022. Have you seen it? 2022. 2023, 2024, 2025. Are you seeing 3 years? Not even 2 years. Maybe it is on 7th of November of this year. It now shows streamed 3 years ago. Maybe. But yeah, have you seen that I've been doing this every week and it's saved? It's saved on the channel. You can come back, watch it whenever you're ready. It's always available to you. You understand? It's always available to you. So if you're confused at any point, yeah, just go back to the video, watch it, and you get clarity. So that's how to find the videos, okay? Now let's get back to business. What I want to do today is I want to analyze GBP/USD so that not just GBP/USD actually, I want to analyze other pairs too, so that we can make money together today. So this is GBP/NZD. I was trying to sell into the buy zone, but price is not ready to sell. But this is where I want to buy from. But I think for now we'll just delete it because it's looking too much. Looking too much. We'll reanalyze it. Don't worry. We'll reanalyze it. Euro USD income. Euro USD. Look at it. Came into our zone. This is our SL area. I think price needed to clear out the liquidity first, which it did. Then now, thank God we're not even there when it came in. So Euro USD is moving. BBJPY. BBJPY is moving. We are in sale. We're in profit on the sale. So GBJPY is going to go down a lot actually. I can promise you that one. It's going to go down a whole lot. GBJPY. I analyzed this trade since. Now all I need to see price do on GBJPY, all I need to see price do is I need to see price break below this zone. Break and close below. Once price breaks and close below, then I will know that price is ready for us. This place, I'll call this place don't worry, just mark it out. Just leave it there. So once price breaks and close below, then I'll be happy to sell. So I want to see price actually do a significant break below on GBP/JPY. Do you understand what I'm saying now? I want to see price break below this area, then we consider entering the trade for a buy. Do you understand what I'm saying? So let's look at XAUUSD. XAUSD is not ready for us yet. But we'll look for positions to join the buyers now. I'm not trying to sell on XAUSD at all. I want to buy. I want to buy on XAUSD, and the reason is clear. We are in an all-time high. We're in an all-time high. Gold is on 3,800. Um, Gold is on 3,800. So I will just be looking out for places to buy gold from. Where can I buy? Continue to buy. So I will remove this from my watch list for now. I'll remove this from my watch list for now. Okay. So you will not make noise. So just stay here and be quiet. Yeah? Okay. So we're trying to say something. You're welcome. Arrow Agbero Esther, Lagos, Maryland. Good stuff. Benjamin Shoyele, you're welcome, man. So I was trying to explain that I will not try and sell on gold at all. The reason is very clear. Gold is currently in an all-time high. So I'll be looking for where to buy from, okay? Then now let's go to GBP USD. Let's go to GBP USD. Now GBP USD. Oh, I was teaching some people over the weekend. That's why you can see GBP USD. My GBP USD chart is very scattered. Okay? You're gonna meet mama. Don't fall down. Don't fall down. Be careful. My GBP chart is very scattered because I was teaching someone over the weekend what to expect. I was just trying to teach the person, you know, FVG, other blogs and whatnot. So we'll analyze two things today. Two pairs today. Two pairs. First pair we analyze is GBP. Second pair we analyze. We have analyzed GBP, and I told you that I'm looking for price to break below that zone, and I will join the sellers, right? So we have GBP on the radar. We have Euro USD also. All right. We have Euro USD also. Now, I will be looking out for. I want to analyze GBP USD now for everybody to see. And one more. Not gold, because gold is an all-time high. There's not much analysis to do on that. I'll rather analyze GBP USD and GBP NZD. Yeah, GBP USD and GBP NZD. These are the two pairs I will analyze. So GBP USD, let's go to the daily chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, say Euro card. Okay, we can look at Euro card instead of GBP NZD, right? So let's do GBP USD and Euro card. Okay. So GBP USD. On GBP USD, we have on the daily chart. On the daily chart, what's price doing? Okay, on the weekly chart now. On the weekly chart, we are currently in a swing high. Swing high. Yeah, so price is trying to rally its way down. Now that's on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we expect price to rally its way down before going up again. So on the weekly chart, we are currently in a swing sell area. Just take note of that. Daily now. On the daily, it's very simple. On the daily, it's very simple. Price broke structure here. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, this is liquidity here, first of all. On the daily, double bottom. Follow me, oh. This is break of structure here. On the daily, oh. Daily break of structure area. Are you with me, please? Follow me closely, oh. Now, this is the pattern I'm looking at here. Break of structure to the downside, clear liquidity to the upside, break of structure again to the downside, then Kosumodo pattern and sell. This is the pattern I'm looking out for in the market right now. I'm telling you the truth. And you might ask why. First break of structure here, then break of the higher structure, then second break of structure, which is change of character, then Kwasimodo pattern. Simple, nothing serious. That's inverse order block. The other block, not inverse now. The other block respected again on the other shoulder. It's more like head and shoulder, but it's not. That's what I'm looking out for. Let's just keep this one somewhere. And then, so we see break of structure to the downside, and we see price come and clears liquidity to the upside. You see price come and clear liquidity to the upside. After clearing liquidity to the upside, what will price do again? Look at this. Clear liquidity to the upside. The price has to come and clear the liquidity, come and break structure downward, then go and buy. This is what I'm expecting now. Then buy here for a better sell. So let's see if price broke this structure here. It did, tiny, but let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour chart to show us clearly. Four-hour chart to show us clearly whether price broke it. Now, if you're a beginner, you will not understand what I'm teaching right now. If you're a beginner, you will not understand what I'm teaching, but it's good you pay attention so that you are familiar with it. If you're a beginner, disclaimer, you will not understand what I'm teaching. Right now, you will not, if you're a beginner. But you have to stay to be familiar with it. Now, the reason beginners will not understand because I've not taken them through the curriculum. It's the curriculum that you have to go through before this can make sense to you. If you're a beginner, you will not understand this yet. But please stay with me so that you can get information. You know, Lai Wasabi says info. Leofin fo. You understand what I'm saying? It's information that helps you to get a transformation. All right, especially in this nation. Oh my God, punch line. I just drop many rhymes. I'm dropping rhymes like it's time, like all times. New York Times. Don't mind you, I'm just trying to say rubbish. Back to business. So I said, after this break of structure, what I'm expecting now, look at this. Break structure, clear liquidity to the upside. Once you see it is a week, It means it came to clear liquidity. After clearing liquidity to the upside, I want to see price breaking this structure downwards and coming up. So let's see, did it break the structure downwards? It broke the structure downwards. Though not with a body on the higher time frame, on the lower time frame, I'm sure it broke it with a body. But it broke it irrespective. On the lower time frame, I'm sure this is a body. Higher time frame is a week. This is the break of structure. Are you with me now? Clear liquidity to the upside, breaks structure to the downside. Now it has to come. Remember, there was an order block here. All right, that's the Kwasimodo pattern. Oh. There's another block here that price failed to respect. Someone highlight that other block for me. See it here. See the other block here, right? Now just leave it here like that. Just leave that other block I just marked out. Leave it there. I'll explain it. I'll explain the relevance of it. After breaking structure to the downside, remember the pattern I gave you. I want to see price going up, going up, going up, then come, going up, then break structure to the downside. Are you with me? Then going up again, break structure to the upside. Then I want to see it come and clear this structure to the downside. Then give me liquidity here. Give me Quasimodo pattern here. In case this looks confusing to you, all I'm trying to say is I want price to break a structure to the downside first. Let me highlight what each of them means. This is break of structure. Do you understand what I'm saying now? I expect a break of structure here. Then I expect liquidity grab over here. Alright. But after liquidity grab, I expect a second break of structure here. Second break of structure. Some people call this one change of character. Anyone. So it will first break structure, first one. Then it go and clear liquidity. After clearing liquidity, they come and change character. Some people call it change of character. Anyone. Then here, this liquidity always has an order block. The price did not clear out that time. That other block is what I now want price to come and clear out, which is my entry here. My entry here. Stop loss just above this protected high. And then TP down. This is what I'm expecting. This is the pattern I'm looking out for now. See, this pattern can make you a lot of money. This pattern I just drew can make you shit ton of money, man. This pattern I just drew can make you hell load of money. This pattern I just drew can make you hell load of money. If you understand this very well. This pattern I just drew now can make you a lot of money. So this is stop loss here. These are protected high. All right. Basically, stop loss just above the protected high, and then my TP. So this part, I'll extract this pattern, this chart for you guys to see, so that you can study it. Study this, make money, make a lot of money, man. Study this, you make a lot of money, man. I can promise you, you will make a lot of money, man. If you study this thing I'm about, this thing I'm showing you now, you make a lot of money. This is our stop loss. Our take profit here. Right. So this will be the TP region. Basically, this is a very solid one. Is to 2. If you bring it down more, that will be 1 is to 3. So I want to extract this so that people can study it. So this setup 1, right? This setup 1. This setup 1 here. So I've shared setup 1 with the group. Okay. So let's get back to business. You see what I just drew out? This is this is liquidity cleared out. So this is our protected high, right? Follow me on. I needed to draw that out so that you understand what I'm saying when I start saying it. I've not started saying it yet, but when I start, so that you understand. These are our protected high. Are you with me now? Am I making any sense? Am I making any sense? So thank God you remember beginners are present. From Holland, Danny, welcome. So I'm trying to just be plain and clear with you. Beginners, just watch. You'll be confused, but just watch. Your aim is to just watch. Don't drop the phone and be doing something else. No, just watch what I'm doing. It will make sense later, not now. Just watch what I'm doing. Is that okay? Those that are not beginners, they understand what I'm doing already. I promise you. If you're not a beginner here and you understand what I'm doing, write 555 on the chat box. You are not a beginner. You understand what I'm doing. Put 555 on the chat box. You will see that many people understand what I'm doing. You will see. If you're not a beginner, you understand charts, you understand liquidity, you understand break of structure, you understand these things I'm saying. It's not strange to you. Put 555 on the chat box. You guys will see that they understand what I'm saying. You will see that there are plenty that understand what David Achom is saying. Jim Bliss, yeah. Williams, Michael, yeah. Oluwatobiloba even told us what it's called. QMR, yeah. Quasimodo pattern. Quasimodo reversal. That's what I'm trying to draw here. That's what I'm trying to draw here. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to draw here. Simple. I'm just taking it as basic as possible so that you guys can understand it. Alright, I'm trying to take it as basic as possible. You understand? He's even telling us the real word. It's called QMR. Quasimodo reversal. Quasimodo reversal. Back to the conversation. After I break structure to the downside, whereby protected high, tries to come up into this other block, but this other block has to tally with another block on the 1 hour or any other time frame. Now let's go to the other time frames. Remember what I said? That's to tally. So on the other time frames, this is a value gap. On the other time frame, this is what we call fair value gap. That space you see there. Am I making any sense? It's called fair value gap on the other time frames. All right. It's called fair value gap. Now, this FVG is just to tell you that price needs to come and fill it up. So what I'll be looking out for on the lower time frame now is any OB or other block that is above the fair value gap. If not an order block, there may be any pivotal entry point. And what do I use to mark out my pivotal entry points? Again, you guys, you know, I go to my 4-hour chart. I switch it to line charts. First, I want to turn off everything I've put in. I want to turn it off. I just turned it off. Don't worry, they're still there. I just turned it off. Now, what I want to do is switch to line charts on the 4 hours. Remember, this is the area we're looking out for, this high here. All right, 357 region. So I'll switch to line charts and I'll look for confluence areas on 357 region. I just need 2 or 3 and I'm okay. 2 or 3 and that's where I'll sell from. Places that when price got to before it dropped. 2 or 3 and I'm okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's one. Let's draw another one. Solid areas in the market. I think it's easier for us to find a zone, not an area, in this particular market. Let's look for something above. I don't like that zone. I don't like that zone. Let's look for another zone. That's confluence. Sufficient confluence. $60 pips upward is too much. Waiting up. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart now. Okay, let's see. On this level, no, I don't like all these levels I'm seeing in the market. I don't like these ones I'm seeing. They're not convincing enough. Okay, I think I like this one. Though it's not very significant, but I think I like it. Let's see if it is significant on the other time frames at the front. It's not, it's too high. Let's go to candlestick charts. You see, I don't like the area. I don't like this one above. I don't like it at all. This one below, I still like it because it's another block. I still like this one, but I don't like the other one. I don't like the other one at all. I don't like this zone, oh, but that's what market is showing us. So we have to trade what we see, not what we want. And what I'm seeing here is that we consider two entries. Two entries, very consider two. And I'll tell you the two entries now, very quickly. I'll tell you the two entries you're considering. I'll tell you the two entries you're considering. Yeah, this is my first entry. Let me remove this Quasimodo reversal here. So I'm going to consider this two entry, and I'll tell you why. This first entry, there's price sitting on it here when it went up. It came here, went up. When price got here, it went down. So I think that place is good enough that you can bank on it. The next time price comes to it, when it came here, see what did he do? He fell down from it also. He came there again, he fell down from it also. So we can say that's the good structural point, all right? So I would like to see price come there, and that's the end of the fair value gap. So I'd like to see price come there and sell from there. That's one option. You understand what I'm saying now? I'd like to see price come there and fall from there. That's one option. Second option would be that we wait for price to come to the other block above. This bearish order block will be our second option. This bearish order block will be our second option. Do you understand what I'm saying now? This bearish order block will be our second option. So we have two sell options here, two, and they are significantly, apart from each other. I think almost 50 pips, 60 pips, imagine 63 pips. So that's good enough. The price comes there, we can put a very fair enough SL for this. Let's say we are entering from the end of the fair value gap here, and our stop loss is just above this other block here. Above it here, that's 18 pips. Let's say 20 pips. All right. So if you're doing that, then remember our take profit is here, sitting down here. Anything I'm doing, I'm taking profits here normally. So that one is not even a conversation on where am I taking profits. Yeah, this is where I'm taking profits here. ETB. Right? So yeah, so this will be what I'm looking out for. It's a very healthy RR. Yeah, up until here. So overall take profits is here. Now, I'll tell you something very important. Very important you should know. If you have enough capital to extend your stop loss above here, that's 1 into 3 RR, then it's good. If not, you can keep your SL here and have a second entry. That's just the truth, and there's nobody that will fight you for it. You can keep your stop loss here and do a second entry here. Nobody will fight you at all. Second entry on this space here. This is your stop loss again. If you're doing that, if you're doing that, this is your stop loss here. So if you're entering there, your stop loss is here. which is again 16 pips ish, but we'll give it 20 pips, right? We'll give it 20 pips, and I'll take profit to drag up onto here. So you can either choose to extend your entire what they call it now. But this is the overall take profit. But you can I mean exit whenever you're tired. But this is the overall take profit. Don't worry, don't look at 1:16. All those are I don't believe that price would it's hard for people to have the discipline to hold that small risk into that big profit. It's hard. That's the truth. It's very hard for people to hold small risk into big profits. It's very hard. But those that do it, they get the reward from it. But this is my two profits. This low here is where I'm targeting. That low is where I am targeting. According to my pattern, according to my strategy rather. That low is where I'm targeting. Do you understand what I'm saying now? That low is where I'm targeting. Someone said, "Sir, please, is this the real life account you're using? And as you are teaching, are you also trading also as well?" Oh, Adiola Oluwabukola. So we are only analyzing the market. We have not started trading on the market yet. It's just like you are trying to analyze a problem. We have not started solving the problem yet. We are analyzing the problem to know what's the problem. Do you understand? To know what's the problem, basically. These are the two things I'll look out for. I will not share this signal on the group. I will not share this signal on the group only because I need to confirm it yet. Do you understand? Confirm it with what? I will have to reanalyze it again on my bigger screen. Alright? I will analyze on my bigger screen. So if this is where we are looking to sell from, that means right now we are all going to be buying. We are buying GBUSD into this high. But me, I'll take profits. If I'm doing any buy, I'll take profits here. I'll also exit here. Because this is liquidity here. So I'll exit here at the liquidity zone. Alright, I'll exit at the liquidity zone. I'll exit at the liquidity zone. I'll exit at the liquidity zone. But where will I buy from? Now the price is moving, I'll go to 15 minutes time frame. And on the 15 minutes time frame, it's very simple. It is very simple on this time frame. Um, I'll buy from here. When price comes down, I'll buy. And I'm buying from here into the liquidity zone. I'm buying from here. My stop loss is below this because these are the lowest points in the market the whole of this week so far. So this will be my SL here. Let's say 30 pips. Alright, so 30 pips SL. Targeting 120 pips, take profit. That's 1:4. Do you understand? So that's what I would likely do now. 1:4. I'll likely buy from here. 1:4 arrow. And I'll be okay. Alright? So like that's just what I'm looking out for basically. On on That's what I'm looking out for on UPUSD right now because UUSD is buying also. That means GPUSD has to be buying. I thank God our analysis said buy. UUSD is currently buying into a sales zone. See, buying into a sales zone. Same with GPUSD. They're going to be buying into a sales zone. That's just the truth. We are buying into a sales zone on GPUSD. So this buy, I trust this buy more than I trust this sell. I don't know how best to say this, but I trust the buy more than I trust the sell because the buy is what price is currently doing. So I trust, I trust the buy more than I trust the sell, but that's what the market is currently doing. Like at this moment, that's what it's doing. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Do you understand what I'm saying now? So let's look at Euro card. I don't have it on my watch list. Let me bring this up. Let's look at Euro card. Euro card, daily charts or weekly, anyone. Euro card is in an all-time high now. Okay, not all-time high. Okay, last time price came to this place is 2009. That's crazy, man. The last time I analyzed Euro card was 2022. That's the last time I analyzed Euro card, 2022. I've not traded it since then. Wow. Let's look at when price got there in the past. What did price do? It was sale, man. Price is in an all-time high. This is price will sell. It will sell in the long run. So the market will buy. I'm open to a buy bias. I'm open to a buy bias. Um, Time is fast spent, and I have a meeting now. I'll just quickly rush this. No, I don't want to rush this. You know what will happen? So that I don't rush it. Can I analyze this on my own? Because I have a meeting now. I can only spend another 5 minutes, and there's no way we'll be done in 5 minutes. All right? There's no way we'll be done in 5 minutes. I have another meeting now. So, and I don't want to rush this. So let's do this. I'll analyze Euro card on my own. And I'll share the analysis with you. Just I will explain it based on each time frame. So you know the way I analyze. I'll do 1 hour time frame. I'll mark everything, label it out, send to the group. Then I'll do the 4 hour time frame. I'll send to the group. I'll just do each time frame and share my opinion with everybody on the group so that you can understand what I'm looking out for in the markets. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you can understand what I'm looking out for in the markets. I'll share my opinion with you, and we can take a step from that. All right. I have a meeting now, sadly, and I can't. I don't want to be late. Uh, Let me analyze it on my own. You understand? I'll just share it based on each time frame to the group. So on the daily time frame, this is what I'm looking out for. On the 4 hour, this is what I'm looking out for. On the 1 hour, this is what I'm looking out for. On the 15 minutes, this is what I'm looking out for. So that you understand what I did on each time frame and you can duplicate it on your own end. If I've gotten value so far today, right here on the call, go to the WhatsApp group and write value, capital letter value. If you have gotten value today, I'm going to be looking out for. In fact, let me go to WhatsApp now. Go and write value. Go to the group now and please write value. Please write value. Please write value. Go to the group and please write value. I've seen Adebiyi, I've seen Adeola, I've seen Oludele, I've seen Glamour, I've seen Alabi Chosen. They're typing. Talk to me. Talk to me. So while we are waiting for that, please explain the analysis to us later. And maybe if you remember in the live stream, just tell me to explain it and I will explain it to you. If you remember to ask me, I may forget to explain, but if you remember to ask me, I promise I will explain it. I promise I will explain it if you remember to ask me. Okay? That'll be all from me today. I love you so much. I want to see you at the top, not from the top, because you know what he said. The bottom is way too crowded. All right, the bottom is way too crowded. So let's see tomorrow, or rather not tomorrow. Let's see on the group chat. And I want you to please stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Man, distract yourself, you. Man, distract Yarai. Man, distract Yarai. Man, distract Yarai. Don't distract yourself. God bless you so much. God bless you. Is there any question? Please follow on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Follow and because we drop things there from time to time that shape your forex journey. We drop things personally. I drop things that change the game for you in forex. So please go ahead and engage with us. Engage with us. God bless you so much, and I love you so much. Bye bye.